Today I am going to draw a portrait. It's just gonna be very simple. Here it's 2000 by 2000, and then I'm just gonna select the off-white background, 90% brightness. And if you are watching, feel free to say hi. Make a folder, make another layer on top. Just gonna get the shape. This one's just gonna be the construction line. Yeah, I like to draw pretty light. And I'm gonna make the shin a little longer because I'm gonna have her mouth open. And usually the eye will just line up right around the middle. And in the middle, the width should equal one eye in the middle. And the bottom of the nose. Add a little bit of skin fold. Usually I don't add them as much because it makes the face look a little older. And usually the eyes are from the top of your head to the bottom of your chin. The eye will be in the middle. The nose will be kind of halfway of that. If you have a closed mouth, then your chin should be right here. And the mouth should be a little above the halfway. That's just basic portrait. Alright, back to brush again. Now I'm just cleaning it up and try to reposition the line. And then I'm going to start to do a quick painting. Get the line variation. Line width basically. Facial expression sometimes can be pretty tricky, especially if you want to make them look good. Usually the bottom line, if you draw the eyes, the bottom line would be a lot thinner because it's the eyelash in the bottom usually lay on the far end. Alright, now we're going to come to the lips. Kind of want her face to have a little more roundness, but then when you move your jaw down or open your mouth, make them look slimmer usually. There's some hair. And I think you had like a headset or something. Back to the mouth again. And usually when I draw teeth, I don't draw every single one of them. Just kind of like a suggestion, rather. Stylize them a bit. If you work on a line, then usually thick and thin play a nice addition to your detail. Line thickness is always important. And a lot of time, the tiny little corner and tiny little angle can make a huge difference in your artwork. Even like say if the teeth are kind of straight, right? I'm gonna maybe adding a bit of silhouette to it or shape to it, like say even going up here and then down, you have a bit of shape. And it could make a big difference a lot of time. If you're doing it right, it should look good. Tiny little shift in shape will have a lot of impact. Alright, now I am going to add. I actually haven't drawn like this in a long time. Usually I'm just like quick stuff. Make it quick. I'm not sure if the eyebrows too thick. I don't like them that thick. Some people do, but well, it depends on the face, I guess. Some people can pull a really thick eyebrows off. Now I'm gonna flip. I feel like that eye is like way too big. Well, but it's a cartoon, so But every time I draw the eyes too big, I always go back and like, what the? And I change it. Always. It's like a sickness. It's way too big. So big line is basically you're trying to get the big shape of the hair going, and then you go into the small line to kind of split them from the inside. Because in the middle, the width of the eye should be about the width of. All right, and now there's the other part that I don't really like to draw. The pupil and iris. Not my favorite part to draw. It could seem super repetitive. It's like, again, I have to draw the iris.